You ever there with a girl and you plan out shit perfect, think you're gonna get pussy, but you not get pussy? I never know the reason why, but I broke it down and try to figure it out. Reason why you not get the pussy, she might be now want to feel like a bitch. She probably afraid say, once you get pussy, you gotta tell everybody. No girl not like be the talk of the town. Like if you and them have sex, you're gonna tell a bag of man or so. The girls not like that. So, maybe that's the reason why she not get the pussy yet. Reason why you not get the pussy, you not feel if I look like a bitch. She look like a bitch if she want look like a bitch. But you not fi do it. Reason why you not get the pussy is because you don't really have her heart yet. A lot of girls out there walking around, them want invest in something, but them know them are gonna get back something out of. And in a lot of them mind, the sex not go good unless them heart in it. I repeat, the sex not go good unless them heart in it. Reason why you not get the pussy, you have to be romantic and shit. You know, show your feelings. That's one of the reasons why you're not gonna get the pussy from her. You need to get that emotional shit. Reason why you not get the pussy, you have to sit down and cry with her. For no reason, even if the shit don't make sense. Reason why you not get the pussy, she want you to respect her. She want you to care about her feelings. That's the girl who want a relationship. That's probably reason why you not get the pussy, because you're not in a relationship with them. Reason being, they're not gonna want to get the pussy free, like that. Reason why you not get the pussy, maybe you don't give her nothing. Like money, PR bills, can't go shopping. Some girl out there, them want you give for receive. So you not giving them shit, you not get shit. Reason why you not get the pussy, some of them girls, they want time to go by. They just need more time. You know, for free up with you, feel more comfortable with you. Figure the pussy. Reason why you not get the pussy, they want time to know who you really are. So don't rush it. Reason why you not get the pussy, maybe for some other reason now, why she don't want to get the pussy is because she could have just come from work, pussy kinda stink. She want to fresh up, you don't know. It might be a little musty. Reason why you not get the pussy, might be you have to just make her freshen up first, so you get the pussy. Reason why you not get the pussy is that time of the month. Blood clot! Emotional chain wreck. But for some reason, when you're dep on the period and not dep on the period, some of the girl love to play a game. Like wear tampons and them shit. If you try trick a nigga say you see a period, and me ain't know when I see a period. Bitch, me will look. Me will pull on your panty and look. Me see blood before. That ain't not new. If you miss my rest of video them, click them two link there. Click one of them video there where you see over there so I play right now. So you don't know, Trabass TV, I'm out.